I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must start with the essentials. A working Jio SIM in a 4G-capable slot and mobile data turned on. Once done, restart the phone to clear temporary locks. Next, open Settings and set network mode to LTE or 4G preferred. This forces the device to use the right radio. Make sure airplane mode is off, otherwise the phone cannot register. These steps prepare the device for VO LTE registration and avoid common failures before you change call settings. Now you enable VO LTE in your phone. Go to SIM and network or call settings and toggle VO LTE or HD calling for the Jio SIM. At the same time, confirm the APN is set to GeoNet with default values. Wrong APN can block IMS registration. After changing these, restart the phone to force re-registration with the carrier. Once the device reconnects, look for 4G plus a VO LTE or HD icon. This proves the IMS service is active, and your calls will use VO LTE. Finish by placing a test call. VO LTE calls connect faster and deliver clearer audio. If you don't see the VO LTE icon, toggle Wi-Fi calling off, toggle VO LTE off and on again, then reboot. This forces IMS renegotiation. If problems persist, check that firmware and carrier settings are up to date. Older firmware can block VO LTE. As a troubleshooting tip, gather your IMEI and SIM IXID and contact Jio support if the device still won't register.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.